In this video, we're going to solve a word problem involving set. In a class of 42 students, 18 students are in the science club, 5 students are in both the math club and the science club, and 14 are in neither. How many students are in the math club? Okay, so the first part in our process is we are going to write the given in the problem. Okay, so first we are going to write the given for the universal set. So what is the cardinality of the universal set given in the problem? So here, in a class of 42 students, so this set of 42 students is our universal set, and the cardinality of the universal set is 42. And then let's determine another given the problem. We have here 18 students are in the science club. So we have set of students who are in the science club, and the cardinality is 18, and we let science set of students in the science club as S. So the cardinality of set S is equal to 18. Then here's another given. 5 students are in both the math club and the science club. So we have here the keyword both. Now we know that both is intersection. And we have here set of students who are in the math club. So we let this set be set M. So therefore, both math and science club is set M intersection set S, or S intersection M. So we have the given N of S intersection M, science intersection math club, is equal to, the cardinality is 5. Okay, and 14 are in neither. Okay, so we have another keyword in the problem, neither. So this would mean that these students don't belong to either of the two clubs, the math and the science club. Perhaps they belong to other clubs. So since these students don't belong to either of the clubs, then they are the complement of the union of the two clubs. So we have the cardinality of the complement of S union M is equal to 14. Okay, so we are done with our given. So the next step is we are now going to set up our Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram. So let me draw first a Venn diagram here. Okay, Venn diagram. Okay. Okay, so the rectangle here represents our universal set, and the first circle represents our set of students who join the science club, and M is the set of students who are in the math club. Okay, so we have here the regions in the Venn diagram: S sub 1, S sub 2, S sub 3, and S sub 4. Okay, let us understand these regions by set operation. So our S sub 1, the region S sub 1 is just equal to the operation S minus M, right? And S sub 2 is S intersection M. S sub 3 is M minus S. And S sub 4 is, since this region is not in the union of S and M, so it's the complement. Therefore, it is the complement of the union of the two sets, S union M. Okay, so next, let us start populating our Venn diagram by making use of the given. So, okay, our universal set is 42. The cardinality of the universal set is 42. So, meaning, if we sum up the cardinalities of the four regions, S sub 1, S sub 2, S sub 3, and S sub 4, it would sum up to 42. Then we have 18. This is the cardinality of the set S. So, meaning, if we add the cardinality of S sub 1 and S sub 2, it would sum up to 18. And then we have the cardinality of S intersection M is 5. Now, since there is only one region for the cardinality of S intersection M, which is S sub 2, we can already start populating this region. This is 5, right? And the cardinality of the complement of the union of set S and set M is given. It is 14. So, there is only one region for S sub 4, so we can now start populating S sub 4 as 14. Now, the problem here, we need to find the cardinality of S sub 1. It is still unknown. This is S minus M, cardinality of S minus M. Then S sub 3 is also unknown. This is the cardinality of M minus S. Okay, so the next part of our solution is part 3. Is we are going to show our solution in order to populate the unknown cardinality of the regions in our Venn diagram, like S sub 1 and S sub 3. So we need to set up or make equations to solve for the cardinality of S sub 1 and S sub 3. So first, we will solve for the cardinality of S sub 1 and of S sub 1. Note, S sub 1 is just the same with n of S minus M, right? But we will just use S sub 1 here. Okay, so we know that the cardinality of set S is 18. And we have the cardinality of S sub 2, which is 5. And take note that the cardinality of set S is the sum of the cardinality of S sub 1 and S sub 2. So we have already 5. So what will we add to 5 to get 18? So it is 13. So how will we get this 13 using an equation? So we have n of S, the cardinality of S, minus the cardinality of S sub 2. This is our equation. Okay, so the cardinality of S is 18. So we have 18 minus the cardinality of S sub 2 is 5. So 18 minus 5 is equal to 13. So here, we were able to solve for the cardinality of S sub 1, and it is equal to 13. So since it is 13, we can now populate S sub 1, which this is 13. So that when we check, 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. Next, we're done with S sub 1. We will compute for S sub 3, cardinality of S sub 3. The cardinality of S sub 3 is equal to, let's make an equation. So S sub 3 belongs to set M. S sub 2 plus S sub 3, cardinality of S sub 2 plus cardinality of S sub 3 is equal to the cardinality of set M. But the cardinality of set M is not yet given. So we need another way to compute for the cardinality of S sub 3. Okay, so what do you think will be our equation here to solve for cardinality of S sub 3? Okay, observe the Venn diagram. We have already populated the three regions, S sub 1, S sub 2, and S sub 4. So we only lack S sub 3. So we can already compute this, since we know already that the cardinality of the universal set is 42. Okay? So when we subtract 42 by the sum of the cardinality of these three regions, we can compute for the cardinality of S sub 3, right? So therefore, our formula is the cardinality of the universal set minus the cardinality of the sum. S sub 1 plus cardinality of S sub 2 plus cardinality of S sub 4. Okay, so cardinality of the universal set is given is 42 minus, okay, we will add 13 plus 5 and 14. Okay, so what is 13 plus 5? It is 18, right? Then 18 plus 14 is 32. So we have 42 minus 32. And 42 minus 32 is equal to 10. Okay? So therefore, the cardinality of S sub 3 is equal to 10. Okay. So we are done populating our Venn diagram now. So the next part is the last part of our process in solving the problem, which is showing already the answer to the problem, or writing the answer to the problem. Okay, we need space here, so let's erase this. Okay, so okay, we have part 1, our given. Part 2 is our Venn diagram. Part 3 is our solution in finding the unknown cardinalities in our Venn diagram. And the last part of our process in solving this problem is writing our answer to the problem. So to write our answer to the problem, let's go back to what is asked in the problem. So what is asked in the problem? How many students are in the math club? Okay, so what is being asked in the problem is the cardinality of the set of students who are in the math club. So to compute for the cardinality of the set of students who join for the math club, we need to, okay, cardinality of set M is equal to, we need to add the cardinality of S sub 2 plus the cardinality of S sub 3. Okay, so we have the cardinality of set M is equal to, cardinality of S sub 2 is equal to 5 plus 10, cardinality of S sub 3. And 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Okay, so this is our answer to the problem. 15 students. So there are 15 students who are in the math club.